Testing, testing. Okay, thanks so very much. I want to welcome you once again to my No Secret to Making Money Using Smart Automated Marketing Systems. Chances are you guys came through one of, wow, literally hundreds of websites that I've actually built out, and maybe hundreds of actually, maybe if not thousands, of smart automated marketing systems, I like to call them. So what I've done, guys, is I've actually I built an actual platform, or I'm right in the middle of building an actual platform built around what I call the no secret to making money working from home, a YouTube video series and actually a newsletter. And what my no secret to making money using smart automated marketing systems, the new YouTube video channel, which I'm going to redirect you guys to in a second, and the newsletter is all about. It's going to be built entirely around list building. Um, I did a series a few years ago, and I entitled it, "If You Can Build a List, You Can Build a Business." And the reason I talk about this being the no secret is because if you are anything like I was when I first got started in internet marketing and affiliate marketing, I really didn't understand the components and how important list building was in terms of what it was I was trying to accomplish. And to make a long story short, I didn't have the pieces in place that I needed to have in place to start building a list. And, I was promoting offers from ClickBank and other places, and I wasn't using my own capture pages. I wasn't building my own list. Yeah, I made money here and there, but it wasn't until I started building my own list that I realized that the secret to making money is really no secret at all. The secret to making money working from home in terms of affiliate marketing and from my point, vantage point, should I say, it's entirely built around list building. And I think there's a misconception in the industry where a lot of people think that list building or building a list has to be incredibly expensive. And when it comes to the actual automated marketing systems, I like to call the smart automated marketing systems, people think it has to cost a lot of money. They think that you have to spend a lot of money to be in really huge or big high ticket programs to make money. But the actual reality is, if you can actually build your own list, and we're going to talk about a lot of different ways, as you start building your list, you can segment that list and you can promote and market different products and services to that list. I like to say, you build a list, you create relationships, and you sell cool stuff. Not just business opportunities, but different affiliate marketing tools that you can use. And you guys are going to get to see a lot of the different tools that I use in terms of the software, the funnel builders, and things of that nature. So what I want you to do is get super pumped up and get super excited. I appreciate you guys. I thank you for coming onto my list and watching your emails for my no secret to making money smart automated marketing systems newsletter. I'm not going to bombard you guys with a lot of emails. What I am going to do is share the different tools that I use, the resources, the techniques, the tactics, the strategies. But more than anything else, I'm going to introduce you guys to an endless uh, 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 vault, if you will, of the different ways you can get in front of your target audience. Maybe you've actually joined me in one of my smart automated marketing systems. You're excited, you're inside your members area, you're going through it, you're watching all the great information that you find inside. And I wanted to make sure that I stayed in front, or should I say right in the middle of everything that it is I want you guys to be privy to. And I want you guys to know that if you need anything, you can reach out to me at itsmarlonobennett@gmail.com. Make sure you put question for Marlon in the subject line, and I'll get back with you guys as soon as possible. Now, here's the new YouTube channel that I'm actually building out. This is one of 4 channels, but I'm actually going to build this channel out around this particular newsletter and around this particular channel. And so the actual reason I'm doing that is because a lot of times we get confused, and we get sidetracked. So we don't want to get confused. We don't want to get sidetracked. We want to make sure we stay on track and we're doing the things that we need to be doing on a daily basis or on a weekly basis. However you propose, you can go out and start implementing what we cover inside the members area in the smart automated marketing systems. And you know, just make sure you set aside some time to go through the training. But the most important thing is actually getting exposure for your business, and we talked about that in my intro video. I talk about it a lot on the different YouTube videos that I do. I strongly suggest you guys subscribe to my channel. And if again, if you need anything, just make sure that you reach out and let me know. So I will leave the actual link for my YouTube channel right below this video. Go ahead on and subscribe to the channel. Keep your eyes on your emails. Once again, guys, I want to thank you guys for coming onto my No Secret to Making Money, working from home using smart automated marketing systems. And you guys should see me in your inbox every other day. I'll be checking up on you. And make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, okay? Thanks so very much, guys. Big props. Congratulations on joining the team if you have. Hopefully you guys are part of the Facebook group. There was one coming into the actual system. Again, if you need help with anything, reach out and let me know. Welcome to the YouTube channel. Welcome to the newsletter. And I'll see you guys in my next email and on my next YouTube video. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to live in a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys, and I'll see you soon.